Hey friend, how are you? Today we are retwisting without a mirror. So as you can see here, I've separated two rows of my hair and you can see the amount of loose roots that I have compared to what I have started retwisting just below. So the plan is to get this all twisted up nice and neat just as the row below without the use of a mirror. The first thing I'm going to do is wet the section of hair that I have separated. I'll be using my spray bottle. It's filled with water. You can use rose water also if you would like. And I'm making sure that I saturate the lock with water so that it is more malleable as I am working. Please, I cannot stress enough, do not retwist your hair while it is dry as it will lend itself to breakage. And here I'm just making sure that I rub the water in so that it penetrates the cuticle. It doesn't make any sense, it's sitting on top. I want to make sure the locks are completely covered. Right, so now I'm taking my oil blend and I am spraying around the loose parts of the hair and the scalp. So just like with the water, I am making sure that I'm getting to the whole area to make sure no space is left unnoticed and that I am fully saturating the loose hair as to hydrate and seal in that moisture. For more info on the oils that I use in my lock blends, have a look in the description box below. So now I am going to be separating the locks so that I know which area that I'm working with. I'll be doing 2-strand twists, so I've set aside 2 rows. And I'm just going to pin it up with a small duck clip, I think they're called, or a clamp. Right, so we are now on the close-up of the 2 sections that I'm going to be starting with, but first this one. So as you can see, I am using my fingers. Really going to take you having to trust yourself here and trust the sense of touch, where you are feeling for any loose strands that may be out of place. Now, a very obvious disclaimer, you are not going to end up with absolutely perfect precision partings, okay? These are just partings if you don't mind a couple strands being out of place, or in the situation that we're in now with quarantine, it is just to make do until you can get to a salon. Right, so I'm going to show that all over again. Loose it out. And I'm checking for any loose hairs that might be in the way, that might be an obvious discrepancy with my partings here. And I am doing a clockwise turn, clockwise turn, clockwise turn. And whilst I'm turning, I'm holding as near to the root of the twist so not to either pull on the scalp or to cause too much tension, and to keep everything neat and in line, okay? Now, one option that you can do is continue curling it up onto itself to hold it in place if you have not got clips, and then you can pull them down afterwards or stretch them afterwards. But if you do have clips to spare, you can also use those, and I'm just going to clip it down to the bottom here. And there we go. On to the next one. So doing the same thing, checking all around the perimeter of my lock to make sure that I have the basic foundation of what my lock was. And I'm using my fingers. If you don't have nails, do not worry. The pad of your finger will be able to help you feel your scalp and feel what hair is out of place. And as you pull on it a little bit, you will also be able to feel some tension of a snagged strand or a strand that might be pulling from somewhere else, and you're able to separate. So again, you will not have precision partings, but you will have neat partings that are going to get you through. Or if you like wearing your hair like this, then you're good. And again, clockwise turn, hold the root, clockwise turn, clockwise turn. You're pretty much coiling it around your finger and making a tight twist or a tight hold and then clipping it in place. And then that's what I'm going to continue all the way across and up. And with practice, you will become so much better at doing this over the times that you do. It is just about trusting what you're feeling and also letting go of a bit of control. Remember, naturally, locks are not supposed to be heavily maintained or manicured in that sense. So twisting like this is actually not a problem. However, until you do get back to the salon, you do need to look after some measures for yourself. And also it's good to know that you can have this skill for yourself also as and when you would need it. Some bits may have kind of snagged or knotted themselves into another lock, maybe over the month or over the couple of months since you haven't retwisted. That's fine, just separate them, put them back where it feels it needs to be, and then carry on twisting. And again, we're back with our clockwise twist. And here we are, the finished look. 2 rows of neatly retwisted locks. They're neat enough for me, and they're definitely going to be neat enough for you. This is just to make sure that we can get through this time without completely joined roots. If you got this far with your own retwisting without a mirror, give yourselves a clap. Well done. It's not easy, but it does get easier with practice. Okay, so I really do hope you enjoyed the info provided and it has been helpful. I'd love to know how you've been retwisting and maintaining your hair during this quarantine time. So let's connect. Hit the like and subscribe button and let's chop it up in the comments, okay? So until next time, please do keep drinking your water, counting your blessings, and take care of yourselves. Till next time, bye.